So what we're doing today now is fixing the roller door, sliding door. It's got a problem on here that Dean tells me it kind of like it makes that noise, and you can see that it's wobbling like that there. Looks like the front roller there is gone. So we're going to take the door off and have a look at that roller and see what we can do to fix it. First of all, to get this off, it's on like this here, and you just want to get a screwdriver on the front there and just lever it off gently. Same with the back one, that pops off. Then you've got this little grommet here that slides on like that. Slide that off. And then the next part we want to do is the roller door hinge down the bottom here. I'm just going to unbolt it so the bottom hinge is loose. Dean's going to hold the door from dropping for me instead of me using jacks and timber this time. And once that's done, I'll slide it off, and you've got the top hinge here. That will slide off, comes up to here, and that's, you can see there's a dip there. That's where the hinge there will slip out. I'm going to take the door completely off and have a look at that rear hinge to see what we can do about fixing it. And that's without taking all this here off, because we don't want to replace the whole hinge, which you would have to take all these trims off to replace the whole hinge. We just want to repair the problem that's there. And not to forget, there is another bolt that you need to get to, but it's easy enough just pulling the trim out a bit and you can get to that top bolt there as well. There's 3 at the bottom that you need to undo to drop the door. Okay, so door's off, and we can see here the roller on this one here is a bit thin. Still got about half life in it though, but the front one here completely gone. Starting to get a bit of a flat spot here, so good time to fix this before it gets any worse. Okay, so what we're going to do for repair today is I'm going to get this nut here that sits over the top nicely, spins around. I'm going to shave this down, and I just rest that there. So I'm just going to put it on the end here, get my grinder, shave it till it's nice and round, make sure that it fits into the back sliding, and then we're going to use that as our fix today. The thing about, most common question would be, if this is on, will it slide off? It can't, because the clearance between that there and what's in the roller door is only like 2 mil of clearance between that there, so there's no way this could possibly ever come off. So that will have to be the fix for today, because we can't find a place that sells PVC tubing or any bearings that will fit that. So this will be our fix. Okay, so now I've got that grinded down down as far as I need. That sits in there nice and smooth, and it's got a tiny little bit of play in it, about half a mil play in it. So now we can go ahead and put this on here, and we're ready to put the door back on. Won't worry about in previous videos I've shown where I've put a circlip on the top. I've learnt later on there's no point, like I said earlier, this isn't going to be able to slip off, and the downwards gravity is always going to keep it down anyway. But obviously you hit bumps when you're four-wheel driving, it's going to come up, if you're four-wheel driving that is, but it won't come up because there's not enough room for that to get over, and I'll only slide back down again. So we'll put this door on and we'll give you a look at it working, I guess. Alright, so she's back on, working well, and you can see what I mean by there's no room up there for the bearing to be able to come off, in this case a nut, but you know what I mean. And there's nice play there, so she's not going to get stuck. She's going to slide nicely there. Now we're putting this back on. You got the whoopsie. Put that little grommet there back on. Put this in. Here's that trick of 2 hands again. There we go. That's it. And as my mate says, Bob's your uncle. Too easy. Alright, thanks for watching.